Hey, what's up, YouTube? Well, we are in Lakeland, Florida right now visiting some friends, and I wanted to share with you some exciting news that's coming up from Kickin at Band Voast style. But I'm not going to share it with you right now. That's coming up later on, but I just wanted to kind of tempt your taste buds. It's some really exciting news, and we'll be sharing that with you as we come into the months ahead. Just a little teaser for you. Thanks for watching. Please make sure, if you have not, hit the subscribe button, leave us a comment down below, and tell us what you think. Also, once you subscribe, go ahead and ring that bell. That way you know when our next video is coming up. You'll be advised of that. We wanted to say again, thanks so much for watching, and we are, I believe, at 283 subscribers and moving up. We wanted to say a big thank you, because if I don't have y'all, then we really don't have any type of audience. So thanks again. We appreciate it. Take our videos if you like them, and you subscribe. Share them with your friends and help us grow our subscription. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. And don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that right now.